Tiffany, a professional makeup artist. Today I'm showing you how I do my Dutch braids, which is really on trend right now. So I do it for my gym as well as when I hang out and want to be a badass chick. So let's get started. So all you need is just 2 rubber bands and your hands and your hair. That's all. So this look is really simple. I could even do it on the way to the gym on the MRT. Yeah, so that's how fast it is. So just separate your hair into 2 sections. Maybe you can just tie this. So what I will do is I will start braiding from the top of the head and then have 3 sections and do your usual braids, but you braid it underneath. Can you see? And every time I want to do a new braid, I just take a new section and bring it to the center, go under the back. So just continue and keep it as close as possible to the head, so that, and try to take equal sections. So just continue. And then I just continue to braid normally. You able to see? Okay, I'm just going to the so that's it, and use your finger and create more volume for each hair section by loosening the curls. Or you could leave it like this, it's up to you. Then use your rubber band and tie it. Then I'll start with the next hair section. So see, start from the top, separate into 3 sections. Just go underneath the center section, take more hair. So once you get a hang of it, it's really easy and fast. You actually don't really need the mirror to tie the braid. Just make sure that you tie it as close as possible to your scalp. And then braid normally. Just take some hair and loosen it. Take some hairs from your head and to frame your face. like the look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my video if you like it.